Namaskar to everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be speaking about Sanskritam, Tamil and the Kasi Sangam. The government of India has recently promoted the cultural, geographical, linguistic, intellectual and spiritual unity of India by holding this Tamil Sangam in Kasi. This is a very praiseworthy effort and is to be supported. Both the Prime Minister Sri Modi and the UP Chief Minister Sri Yogi Adityanath have stressed the ancient links between Tamil and Sanskritam at many different levels. Sanskritam is spoken in Vaikunta and originates from Lord Sriman Narayana, and Tamil is spoken in Shivaloka and originates from Lord Shiva. In this video, I will be speaking about Sanskritam, and in the next video, I'll speak about Tamil and link the two. One unique feature of Sanskritam is that the words in the language have meaning in the language itself. The meaning is not assigned by convention. For example, take the name Sanskritam itself. It means sam means perfect, kritam means done. So Sanskritam in Sanskrit, Sanskritam itself means perfectly done language. This is not a simple empty claim because all the words in Sanskrit have meaning and also they're scientific. Take another example, the word for new moon. In the Western culture, they seem to have evidently thought that the present moon has gone away and now a new moon is going to come up, and therefore they called it new moon. But not so in Sanskritam. In Sanskritam, the word for new moon is Amavasya. A means sun, Ma means moon, and Vas comes from Sahavasati. So Amavasya really means the sun and the moon coming in one line with the earth, because we are observing the moon from earth. And this is also the explanation given in modern science as to why the new moon phase occurs. In this way, in Sanskritam, all words actually have meaning in the language. This is not so in other languages. For example, English, the name English does not have a meaning in the English language. Now we might ask, why is it that this is so in Sanskritam so uniquely? And one answer is that the letters of the alphabet in Sanskritam called Varnamala and the root verbs called dhatus, there are 2000 of them, they all have meaning, such that when words are constructed from this Varnamala and the dhatus and then we construct sentences, they all have meaning intrinsically. This is not so in English. For example, the letters A, B, C, D, they do not have meaning. This is why the English poet sang that a rose called by any other name will still smell as sweet. So the question as to how from letters that don't have meaning we get words that can be given meaning arises in English and other Western languages, and this problem obviously doesn't exist in Sanskritam. So this problem is known as the symbol grounding problem, and this also arises in computer science in a field called artificial intelligence. If one asks the question, what is the relation between the state of a computer bit as a physical state, which is called in technical language cutoff and saturation voltages, and the same state being called 1 and 0 logically. I have written a scientific paper that's published in a book that appeared in a Springer-like volume on the connection between the symbol grounding problem, Sanskrit, computer science, artificial intelligence, and quantum mechanics. In the next talk, I'll speak about Tamil. Thank you. Thank you.